Hi, I'm Allen from machine.Pen Machinery. This is our office. This is our office. And this is our workshop. We're specialized in wax crayon, oil pastel, molding machine, labeling machine, and cartoning machine. These are all horizontal wax crayon, oil pastel, labeling machine. And this one is wax crayon, labeling machine. And these two sets are automatic ball pen assembly machine. This is fully automatic wax crayon molding machine. And these two sets are also automatic wax crayon molding machine. And this one is fully automatic oil pastel molding machine.